heading down the road about, I don't know, 15 miles from To Vermont. That was too bright. And I just thought I'd throw in a little clip here. Now there's road work. Just driving in my car. Maybe I should do a weekly what's new in my car. What's new? I had to go to Vermont. Go to some VA appointments. Figured I'd show you some nice scenery through Vermont. That's why I like driving this road. It's awesome. Plus they sell all kinds of cool stuff in Vermont. So I gotta move on over here. So yeah, if you live in Vermont, you're watching my channel, say hi. I'm gonna show all you rest of your viewers in a few minutes when I get there. Something I like going to. It's an antique store in Queechee. Anyway, I'll stop this here and I'll continue when I get there. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hold on, I got more footage I'm going to attach to this. Yeah, thought I'd throw in this little view here. It's kind of cool. Sitting in the car, just driving through Vermont. Just cool. Nice views. It's like this all the way down from the top of Vermont, from New York State to all the way to the bottom of Massachusetts. It's a nice drive. I've been driving on this road since I've actually been going down this way since I went to UMass in the 90s, so it's like, what, 30 years I've been flopping up and down this highway. Not every month. I remember when I was in going to school in UMass Amherst, it was like, what, about once a month, take the train back, get a ride back, drive. A few years into it, I had a car, so I drove back and forth. So, yeah, it's a beautiful view here. Anyway, stay tuned, I'll show you where I'm going. What's up, folks? See that sign? I don't know if you can see it, but it's all. This is where I'm going. Queechee, Vermont, or Woodstock. If you pause it right about here, you'll be able to see the sign as I yawn. There you go, Woodstock. I'm currently doing 70 miles per hour. There is a Tesla following me. So, some dude's doing hand signals or some shit in the car. Alrighty. We are going to turn here. La 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 la. Follow me. Nope, no following Tesla. We are going to go this way. I never really documented this trip as years before, but now that I got a YouTube channel, I'll just record everything, right? Yeah. I'll try to speed this up. We'll cut it, chop it up in parts. Welcome to, I don't know where this is. I've been to this gas station a million times. From what I heard, it closed down a few times. The dude had a little bit of a snorting problem. Shut down. Come on, truck, let's go. Come on. Yeah, let's make a run for it. Like my dad always said, never record into the sun. Take a picture with the sun behind you, in front of you. Well, the sun's in front of me. So apologize for the glossy images. The unclean window. About a mile or two down this road is a really, really cool spot. Oh no, I'm speeding. I'm doing 50, 49, and I'm 45. Some cops could probably watch my video, give me a ticket. Oh, look, we got evidence. He recorded it. Utility work. Be prepared to stop. Why? Or the Gestapo up the road. Oh, if you're watching my videos, you'll know I made a live stream and the audio all screwed up. So, yay, cool. Are they cutting trees again? 'Tis the season for trees to fall down. Bam, bam, thank you, ma'am. chainsaws. Listen. Hear chainsaws? Hello folks, it's me again. Well, I couldn't record the, what do you call it, drive here because my wife called me in the middle of the recording, so this is where I'm at. This is the building where I'm going. It's the Quechee Gorge Antique Mall. There's a whole lot of stuff here that move forward. Ta-da! Here's the entrance over there. Where I'm going is in here. There's all kinds of cool antiques upstairs. It's pretty cool. Anyway, I'll see you inside. Hope you like the video.